Hello everyone, this is Sheriff the Broker in Istanbul. We will see today another $1 million property which is in Bakirkoy on the seafront location on the edge of Ataköy Marina. And now we are on the terrace of 363 meter square apartment, 4 bedrooms and the main room with decorated in the highest quality materials, and the price, last price for the pandemic period, $1.5 million. Let's get into inside. In this pandemic period, you are staying at your home and you don't know what to do and you want to spend $1,500,000, and today I will show you how you will spend it. This is 60 meter square living room in Bakirköy in the project Pruva 34. We are on the 4th floor, but we have an amazing sea view from this living room, and with the terrace you will spend all your day in this amazing living space, and all floors are wooden and heated from underneath. I will show you the magic from here. Just with a button, you just open and close this glass. While you are dining, you can play with this one. And now we are passing to from living room, the corridor. This is the entrance of the apartment, which will welcome you from the main door. And on each floor of this building, there are 2 apartments. And there is a privacy here. And from here, you welcome your guests. In the first entrance, you have a kitchen. The kitchen and all the entrance is filled with a marble. And all these white goods, most of them are gaganevu, oven, microwave, even a place you can heat your plates is included in this apartment. And the fridge is, I never seen this one in Turkey, Sub-Zero brand, which is so heavy, you don't feel it, but I feel it. All the kitchen out facade is marble, and still you have an amazing sea view. You can have your breakfast here and you can pass to your terrace in the summer days. And this is the corridor taking you to the bedrooms from the living room side. And let's see the bedrooms. The first place which I will show you is the guest toilet. Guest toilet is, you can see how high quality it is. And now, first I would like to show you the master bedroom, which is the most important room for the buyer, because buyer of this apartment will stay in this room. So he should see it first. Let's see. Wow. This is the master bedroom, how it should be. The decoration is high quality. It's a huge suite. It's fully decorated. And it comes as you see, not the furniture, but the decoration is coming like this, which is also included with an walk-in wardrobe. This wardrobe is also coming with the apartment, which is so unique for this kind of projects in Turkey. They give the space, but they don't give the wardrobes. In this one, you get the apartment as you see it like this, which is fully decorated. And also, we have an ensuite bathroom. This bathroom has, you see, 2 sinks and a huge shower over here. It's like a hotel room. Your master bedroom is in the size of hotel room. And rest of the apartment is, this is one of the bedrooms. It's normal size. They designed it as a children room, but it's good for a guest as well. It's a fully decorated lights. Also, central air conditioning is included in this apartment. In each room, we have the management panel for the air conditioning. The another thing is service entrance. We don't see it in many places. From this door, we reach to service elevator. So you don't have to welcome your staff from the main entrance. You can welcome them from here, or you can escape. So, and this is the other bedroom with ensuite bathroom. You can see the shower size. Most of the master bedrooms has a smaller bathroom, and this one is a guest bedroom, has the size of huge bathroom. This is the best room I like because it's a relaxing room or a working room for your office. You can watch movies at night over here while you have guests. Your wife has guests. You can work here, study here. In these pandemic days, you know, we spend all our times in our apartments. This should be my working room. Today we have seen tremendous apartment in Bakirkoy, which is Seafront. Seafront is the biggest value thing for this flat, and the size is 363 meters square with a huge size of terrace, 60 meters square living room, and the extra things you have seen. The last price of this apartment is $1,500,000, but only for this pandemic period we can purchase it online. And thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Each week I will be sharing $1 million apartment like this or property like this in Istanbul. Today we have seen Bakirkoy, today we have seen Pruva 34. I like this project, I am sure you will like too.